Today I am going to deliver you a very special presentation on crossing the river of change. The world keeps on changing, so in order to thrive in this challenging world, we have to adapt change. Change is really hard for everyone. Why we always require a big setback for change in our life? Either you change in a big trouble or you change in a happy and harmonious routine. Change is always related to your thinking and feeling. We have to change the way we think. Albert Einstein said, we have been doing things in the same manner but expecting different results. See, there is a loop of thinking, feeling, thinking. So if you keep on thinking the same past, you keep on reaffirming the same past life. Hablot said, neurons that fire together wire together. By the time we are 35 years old, our brain becomes so much hardwired. So in order to change, we have to change our habits. Habit is when you have done something so many times and your body knows better than your mind how to do it. If you keep on repeating those same past thoughts, past would repeat itself again and again, and those predictable past would become your predictable future. Because same thoughts leads to same choices leads to same action, and same action leads to same feeling. So the outcome is predictable. Our known past would become our future. So we have to move from our old self to new self. You have to cross the bridge. You have to cross a river of change. For example, you want to wake up early in the morning for exercise because you want to lose some weight. But the voice in your head say, no, buddy, not today. Or I should sleep more. Let's start tomorrow. But this is not the right time. The thoughts in your old brain will appear. What you have to do is you have to break the loop. You have to be greater than your body. The only way to convince your mind is through repetition. So without having a second thought, just do it. After some days, it would be very easy for you. Your own biological clock will wake you up. So you need to install a new software in your mind. You need to install a new thinking pattern. It will signal your neural pathways. When you start thinking new thoughts, suddenly it impacts the body on various levels. Neurological, biological, chemical, hormonal. You are going to fire and wire a new connection in your brain. See, repetition and feelings are the two master keys. Our conscious mind is just a tip of the iceberg. You can just see 10% of it. The remaining 10% is hidden. If you want to attract money in your life and you keep on focusing on lack and scarcity, you are not able to attract more money. Similarly, health. If you want to attract good health, then don't focus on the disease. Let the doctor take care of it. People keep on looking for shortcuts and quick fixes. They need to create a new state of mind rather than looking for a shortcut. You need to break the loop. You need to break the old thinking pattern. You need to convince your subconscious mind. Always remember, repetition and feelings are the master keys. Thank you for watching.